Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to type on Instagram Reels. Want to add text to your Instagram Reels? In this video, I'll show you how to type and customize text on Instagram Reels step by step. The first step is to open Instagram Reels editor. And to do that, just open the Instagram app and tap on the plus button at the bottom. It's at the bottom normally for mobile phones, but in this tutorial I'm using a tablet, so it's in the left middle. As you can see here, I'm just gonna click on the plus button, and here you're gonna select reel and start recording. Let's select reel, click on keep editing, and that's it. Click on OK. After that, click on edit cover, and click on here to add text. As you can see, you can click on the letters AA and add a text. You can write a text by clicking on AA, and you can add a random text. After that, tap on done when you're finished and customize your text. You can choose different fonts from classic, signature, editor. You can edit the color of the font, as you can see here. You can edit the color of the background, and you can customize your text by changing the font style and by selecting options at the bottom and adjusting the size by using the slider on the left, and choose a color by tapping the color palettes and tap A with the stars to add text background. The fourth step is to control when text appear by tapping your text box at the bottom and adjust the timeline slider to choose when text appear and disappears. And the fifth final step is to post your reel, and you can do that by clicking on the check button and click on done and click on share. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to type on Instagram Reels. Follow these steps to add engaging text to your videos and make them more interactive. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.